start off with the type of wood that we use. We use oak or willow. And this is a piece of wood. We use it when it's still fresh and wet. That makes it very easy. Very easy to work with. Traditionally, these wooden shoes were made by hand. For the outside, they use this large knife to shape it like. For the inside, they use several sizes of these spoon scoops to hollow it out like this. This was a very tough job to do. By hand, it would take about 2 to 3 hours. With these machines, only 5 minutes. So this machine will make the outside of the wood. And that's the same system as duplicated keys. So we make a copy of this one. And there we have the rough outside. So now for the inside, we use the same system. Again, we make a copy of the model.
Вырезать внутреннюю часть башмака используется такая же система копирования, но только это все делается на другом.
There we have the rough inside. So now the toe and the heel are still cut off by hand using this big knife. Rough shape of the wooden shoe. But it's not finished yet because the wood is still very wet. Let me show you. So right now about half the weight of this wooden shoe is still warm. So that's why it needs to dry for 4 weeks, and after drying, polish it on a sandpaper. The final result is then a wooden shoe for a child of about 4 years. The best way to wear them is with thick woolen socks and 1 finger extra space and some few reasons why we still wear these wooden shoes today. First one, they are very strong. They are also waterproof and insulated.